I I will take. That's the thing which it's really hard to tell about something at the moment, but if you do hard work, it give you a it give you a feeling. I think the feeling which you never get, if I get it, or if I take it from the place which is 3 kilometer, I think 3.5 kilometer away from the place, and it's downward from the, it's, I think it's vertical distance. At that point, if we read something about the coordinate geometry, it's on the y-axis and it's the beneath of the y-axis, and it's on the top of the x-axis, and the path is zigzag, which we generally seen in the case of sine theta and cos theta. So if you ask me about mathematics that sir, where you use the sine theta and cos theta, or at physics you told me about the uniform acceleration or non-uniform acceleration, then I really, at the moment, I can explain you about the non-uniform acceleration, and about the coordinate geometry, and about the trigonometric ratios. What's the angle which affect here, and which are those angles which make it easy to take this at that point. Because according to the physics, if we do that work at the angle of 90 degree, it's never be a work. Physics never count it in our work. But according to our society, it's a work. It's a hard work, really. So sometimes physics is totally different from our real life thoughts, and it's the example where physics and the social views get different. Because if I take it at the angle of 90 degree, then according, if somebody know about the physics, then he tells me that it's not a work. But if according to social point of view, it's a work, it's a hard work, because I take it from 3.5 kilometer downward, and it's the place where I take it, and lots of sweat in my, you can check the body condition. It's always a great field than a gym. Totally, I have done lots of year a gym, but and 10 to 12 years at the ground. I running, I'm athlete, but totally the feelings which is if I share this feeling, totally it's different, and it's I think it's give a positivity in our mind, and it's totally different. If sometime you go depressed, or you think about something more, in everyone's life, lot of thing tackle in lot of things come in mind which make you depressed or give you attention sometime. But if you are from the if you are from the Uttarakhand, or you are from the village, wherever in India, you should go at your home and do some work which your ancestors have done, because it's the feeling which no one can explain you. It's low down, it's low down your sugar, it's low down your BP, it's low down your fat. So why you need medicines? You need medicine when you are not going you are not in the path of hard work. If you don't want to do hard work, then lots of sickness are for you, like sugar, diabetes. Okay. So guys, it's come here. My this is come. That's, it's my daughter, Mr. Sanvi Raut. I always told her that do some hard work, beta. Not only in your not only on your study, but only but in every place you should do hard work, because hard work pay you more than your expectation. Hard work always pay more than your expectation. That much you expect from you, hard work gave you better than that. In any condition or in any place at any time, I always compare the theory of Albert Einstein, which give the theory of relativity. I think it's 1918 or 1905. He give two theory about the relativity. What the theory of relativity always told us about, if this is the particle, this is the single particle. A single particle can create lots of energy, more than you are thinking. It's the theory of relativity which changed the mindset of physics, which changed the thinking of a generation. Theory of relativity, if we make atom bombs or something, hydrogen bombs, or little molecules can create 1,000 times of energy. That's the theory of relativity, which always change the space time, which told about the space time. Theory of relativity E is equal to mc square. Albert Einstein. Why Albert Einstein is the father of modern physics? Because he told something special about the time and space. He told, if I give you an example, that if I take a rubber sheet and I take a leather ball at the rubber sheet, if I put that leather ball at the rubber sheet, and after that I take some uh, low weighted balls, if I put them in the rubber sheet, they will always move around them. That's the example, that the body which have always a larger mass, that always moves the body, the thing which have smaller weight always around them. The very best example about that is the sun, which have always a greater mass than our earth, and our earth get uh, go in the and move around the sun. Why? This is the some terms which, I think you should read about some terms. The theory of relativity, it's time, it's space. You can Albert Einstein told one thing, that gravitation is not always the force which attracts something. You can change the space time, you can change the space according to a time or something. So today's vlog, it's about all about the physics and the real life. So thank you for today. Meet you in the next vlog. Thank you.